I'm not. I was changing a battery. Oh, yeah? So when I burn you up, I got on record. Oh, true. You ready for that smoke now? Yo gang, what is up? It's your boy Laz, aka MotoBroo. We're at the flipping lot. We got my YZ today. As you guys know, I seen the comments. We're shredding it today. So let's get into today's video. It's gonna be crazy. Not the phone.
Somebody dropped their phone.
Oh, it's not yours?
No, it's not mine.
Hey. Hey, where's 85 Killer at?
Let him know what's up.
I get here every Sunday waiting on this man.
Yeah, where they at?
They're scared.
They're scared, bro. They're scared of you.
85 Killer. That's my son.
Yeah.
Raise that boy.
Let's go. This quad went into the water, bro. No way. Yo, he ghost rided into the... Oh my. Yo. It's a jet ski, right? Yeah, that was crazy. Right, you can see all the water coming from it. Bro. The four-wheeler and it went into the water. I gotta, no, yeah. Right, you know, I have to get the angle, bro. I didn't expect to see a quad go into the freaking water. Well, what a day at the lot, bro. A freaking quad. It goes into the pond, dude. I seen the whole thing happening. I didn't see him falling or looping, or I don't even know what happened. But that was hilarious. Let's go! Right, I'll burn you! Hey, what happened? What happened? What happened? Let's go. Little girl on there. Let's go. She's swagging her arm. She's going there. That's awesome. Yes, sir. Let's go. Quad time, boys. We got 85 talking. They were talking so much crap on the live. Homie's out here now. Let's go. Let's see who's the GOAT. Let's get it. Hey, how's your arm? How's your arm? It's good though? Yeah. You don't like that 85? Let's go. Surviving. No. Let's go. Oh, shit. Let's go. Oh, they're going out of battle right now. Quad battle. The real deal. 85 cocky out here going crazy on the quad. Yo, quad cocky coming in. Woo, the 150, bro. As you guys know, I love my 150. Yeah! Let's get it, bro. It's crazy. On a 4-stroke, you're just like, bro. Let's go. We had a little battle going on. He beat me. He's still going. Yeah, he's killing it, bro. So let me give you a little overview of my YZ right now. She's pretty much fully stock. Only thing I've done to it is the carb overflow, gas overflow. I just put it all the way to the back so it doesn't freaking hit my brakes. I can tell you one thing, bro, these 125s, every time I get on it, it's a blast, bro. It's so fun. Alrighty, gang, I hope you enjoyed today's video at the lot. It was flipping dope. Shout out those 2 girls who are shredding, and everyone else, bro. There's a lot of killers out here today. Super dope Sunday fun day. Till next time, we have merch in the description down below. I love you. Peace.